Good day everyone. This is Engineer Armando Omanito and let's have this clock problem in algebra. A clock has a dial pace of 12 inches radius. The minute hand is 9 inches while the hour hand is 6 inches. The plane of rotation of the hour hand is 2 inches above the plane of rotation of the minute hand. Find the distance between the tips of the minute hand and hour hand at 5:40 a.m. So we have here the choices: A, 7.48 inches, B, 6.48 inches, C, we have 9.17 inches, and D, we have 10.16 inches. Okay. Okay. So we have here the clock at 5:40 a.m. So this is now the vertical position of the clock, and then so to solve for this we have to uh, make a mark in the 5 and 6 because the time is between 5 but that the time is 5:40 a.m. and that is between 5 a.m. and between 6 a.m. So from the 5 a.m. From the 5 mark or 5 a.m. mark, we will go counterclockwise up to the 12 mark, the 12 number mark. So this is equal to negative 150 degrees because just like in the number line, you are approaching a decreasing number continuously. So that will be negative. And then from the 6 a.m. or 6 mark, you will go to the 12 mark, that will be 180 degrees because just like in the number line, you are approaching a decreasing number continuously. So that is positive. Okay. And then we will use mode 3.2. So in mode 3.2, uh, there should be two columns. The column for x for minutes and the column for y for degrees. So uh, So, uh, at x equals 0, so this means that the time is at 5 a.m. So, at 5 a.m., the minute hand is not yet moving. So, x is equal to 0 for the minutes. For the y column, this is equal to negative 150 degrees. So, just like I've said before that it should be negative, because just like in the number line, you are approaching a continuously decreasing number. And then at 6 a.m. mark, so that will be after 60 minutes, the angle will be equal to 180 degrees. So from the 6 mark to the 12 mark, this is equal to positive 180 degrees. Okay. So using mode 3.2, let's have the minute 40. So 40 y hat is equal to 70 degrees. So that is using mode 3.2. And that is 70 degrees is the distance between the minute hand which is 9 inches and the hour hand which is 6 inches. So 6 inches for the hour hand and 9 inches for the minute hand, and and the angle between them is 70 degrees. So we are looking for let us first get the value of x or the distance uh, from the tip. Okay, so we will be looking for the value of x, which is the distance from the tip of the minute hand, this one, up to the tip of the hour hand, but in the same elevation. Because as the problem said earlier, the angle of rotation the angle of rotation of the hour hand is is 2 inches above the plane of rotation of the minute hand. Meaning, the minute hand is somewhat elevated from the or the plane of rotation of the minute hand is somewhat elevated from the plane of rotation of the plane of rotation, sorry. Okay, the plane of rotation of the hour hand is somewhat elevated by 2 inches from the plane of rotation of the minute hand. So, in this figure, um, this is the 2 inches or the distance of the hour hand from the elevation or from the plane of rotation of the minute hand, this one. So this is the tip of our hand and the tip of the minute hand. So first, using mode 2 complex, let's get this value x, and this is this value. So using mode 2 complex, this is absolute value of 9 minus 6, 70 degrees. Absolute value is equal to 8.9477 inches. So that is the value of x, or again from the tip of the minute hand to the tip of the hour hand, but in the same elevation. So we will now solve for the value of c, or the distance from the tip of the minute hand directly to the tip of the hour hand. So that will be a right triangle, and then so using Pythagorean theorem, the hypotenuse c squared is equal to 2 squared plus 8.9477 inches squared. And then we will get the value of c to be 9.1685 inches, or c is equal to 9.17 inches, which is in the choices is letter C. So that's it for today, and I hope that you learned something from our lesson. This is Engineer Armando Omanito, and see you again next time, and may God bless us all.